Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Inayatu Solehah, NIM 21410110007. Saya akan membacakan teks bahasa Inggris yang berjudul Why Does Nature Loss Matter? Why does nature loss matter? Number 1. Nature is our life support system. From the fresh air we breathe to the clean water we drink, nature provides the essentials we all rely on for our survival and well-being, and it also holds the key to our prosperity, with millions of livelihoods and much of our economic activity also depending on the natural world. This immense benefit to humanity, estimated to be worth around as 1,025,000,000,000 a year, are only possible if we maintain a rich diversity of wildlife. Number 2. We know that we are losing nature faster than it can restore itself, and without argumentation, significant harm to people and planet is inevitable. Inadequate food and water for our growing global population, significant harm to our economies, and the mass extinction of an estimated 1 million species. Number 3. The world is no stranger to this issue, with government already pledging action to tackle nature loss through the UN's Global Agreement on Nature, the Convention on Biological Diversity, but the convention target for 2020, set almost a decade ago, will in all cases not be made. Number 4. Meanwhile, the warning signs continue to mount. Population of mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish have declined on average by 60% in the past 40 years, and 75% of land has been significantly altered by human activities. Question: why does nature loss matter? Because now is the modern era and everything is machine, for example motorcycle and cars, and without realizing it can damage nature because of the pollution from these vehicles, and also humans are less aware of waste. People always litter without any sense of care for the environment. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.